Hi, this is PB from Dial4 College. Almost all of us have a dream in life, and those who are moving from school to college life could have twin dreams or even multiple dreams. If you are aspiring to become a doctor and are passionate about love and care for animals, then becoming a veterinarian would be the most logical and correct career choice, for which you can join the BVSc degree program in any of the top VCI approved veterinary colleges in India and study to become a veterinary doctor. If you wish to fulfill your dream and follow your passion, then this video is for you. We bring to you an overview of the BVSc degree program as offered in India. Bachelor of Veterinary Science and Animal Husbandry, that is a BVSc AH, is an undergraduate degree program which is a 5.5-year duration course including 1 year of compulsory internship. The BVSc course curriculum focuses on animal health, animal welfare, and animal disease management, with subjects such as anatomy, physiology, pathology, microbiology, pharmacology, and animal surgery. The course prepares students for an exciting and successful career in animal healthcare and treatment. Now, if you ask me what is the eligibility to join this course, you should have completed your 12th board exams with 60% marks minimum, with subjects with physics, chemistry, biology, and English as the main subjects. NEET exam is a prerequisite, so the admission process for this program is based on NEET scores, although a few colleges also consider your 12th marks. Now, you may ask me, what is the age limit to join this course? 17 to 25 is prescribed as the age limit. However, there is age relaxation for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and backward community candidates to join this course. Now, coming to the veterinary colleges in India, we have approximately 54 recognized government colleges and 30 private colleges functioning in India which offer BVSc and AH programs. If you have to mention a few of the popular colleges in India, I could say that in Rajasthan we have RR Veterinary College, Jaipur, MB Veterinary College, Dungarpur, Shikawati Veterinary College in Shikar, and then we have the Sri Ganganagar Institute of Veterinary Sciences, which is part of the Tantia University, and we have the Mahatma Jyotiba Phule MJF College of Veterinary Sciences at Jaipur. In Haryana also we have a couple of colleges, which is the MR College of Veterinary Sciences, Jajjar, and we have the RPS College of Veterinary Sciences in Mahendragarh. In Himachal Pradesh too, we have Abhilashi Veterinary College, which is part of the Abhilashi University. So these are some of the very, very popular veterinary colleges in India. And if you ask me what are the career options after completing your BVSc, there is a wide range of career options that you can choose from, like veterinary surgeon, veterinary officer, veterinary dentist, wildlife veterinarian, military veterinarian, animal caretaker, animal breeder, animal trainer. You can also become a social worker for animals, or you can become an academician and work as a professor in any of the veterinary colleges. If not, we could also pursue higher studies and do your masters in say veterinary sciences, that is your MVSc. I hope this video was useful. For more details on veterinary colleges in India, admission process, fee structure, etc., do fill in the Google form given in the description or call the number given in the video. For our upcoming videos and latest updates on education related information, subscribe to our channel. I wish to thank each one of you for having watched this video. Until we meet again, be safe and God bless.